Have been enjoying all the discussions this morning, and for personally, it has been a lot of insight and a lot of wisdom. And thank you, VT Health, for having us here. We are here along with Qlik, our partner, uh, in the journey. So, lot of things came up since morning today. We talked about startup, we talked about data, we talked about AI and ML and role of industry. So in my presentation, I will try to connect these dots and let everybody know who we are and what we have been doing. So moving on. So basically, we call ourselves a boutique company in data analytics. We started our journey around 4 years back, just before onset of Corona. So we three friends, we basically left our full-time jobs and created a company to live up a dream to set up something in data analytics. So Gaurav, Yash, and me, we started this company. So Gaurav is here. More than a decade of experience in data analytics. He has worked with large hospitals, pharma companies, and helped them take the power of data platform. And there is Yash also with us, basically a hardcore champion in RDBMS. And so since morning, a lot of people have asked me questions about medicine. So I'm not a doctor by medicine. I have done a doctorate in artificial intelligence. So I have got expertise in artificial neural network. So on the technology front, we work very, very closely with Qlik, market leader in data platform, a company that operates in 100 countries and around thousands of customers across the globe. So these are our technology offerings. We help multiple business verticals, including healthcare, pharma, diagnostic company, to get the power of data through a single source of truth. We work very, very closely with Qlik, and we have been nominated as their emerging partner for this year, 2022. We work with Qlik data integration platform, helping create a data lake and data warehouse using the Qlik platform, and then multiple cloud solutions, including Microsoft Azure and Microsoft and Amazon Web Services. So when we started this journey around 3 years back, and we, like most of the companies, we also fall in Corona. So a lot of people told us, go back, join your jobs, and you're not going to survive. But somehow we saw an opportunity in Corona. And today, basically, after 3 years, we have got 35 enterprise customers on our company corporate PPT. We work with the largest hospital in Delhi NCR, helping them set up their data analytics and data warehouse layer. We work with the top 5 pharma companies. We work with the top diagnostic company, and we work with the largest lens-making company in India, along with this basically multiple other business verticals in BFSI sector, manufacturing sector, and healthcare sector. So today, data is no longer a problem. All the hospitals have got a designation known as CIO or the CDO. Those are the people who takes care of the complete data analytic landscape. But the problem is how to set the insights from the data, how to enable the sales head of the hospitals and healthcare company, the finance head, the marketing head, to take the right decisions at the right time. This is where Qlik and Lagozon help our customers. So what we have achieved in last 3 years, we have set up something known as L0 of business vertical. When we work with hospitals, hospitals have got multiple departments. Every department runs through a process. And every process has got a sub-process. Like if we take an example of discharge, and if we break the discharge process into multiple things, there would be multiple sub-processes. When doctor writes, discharge the patient, the nurse takes the slip, the billing department is involved, the TPA is involved, and multiple such sub-processes take place, and every sub-process has got a threshold. How much time a billing department should take to clear the bill, how much time a TPA should take to clear the cashless claims. So this entire L0 architecture helps us define the process and sub-process, the threshold, and help the business leaders at healthcare companies to set up their KPIs and dashboards. Now, these are some of the dashboards where we have helped the hospitals improve their productivity. You can see this is a sample of discharge analytics. You can see there are 24 patients who are medically fit for discharge. There are 5 beds which are ready for allocation, 14 patients which are waiting in general ward to be moved to ICU, and there are 2 patients waiting in ICU to move to the general ward. So if this entire information is given to the right stakeholders at the right time, and also you can see this red and green color. Green color means people are moving within the thresholds, Red color means the threshold is getting breached. So all this analytics is made possible using the tool known as QlikSense. We have used this tool QlikSense to get this analytics. The QlikSense is integrated with multiple hospital information systems, the SAP ERP tools, and multiple other ERP tools to get this result on the dashboard. You can see another sample dashboard. So this is again giving you multiple slice and dice of how many patients, how many TPA claims, how many cashless claims. Bigger the dot, the higher is the impact. If you can see a large red dot, it means basically the threshold which is higher. If you can see a bright green dot, it means you're still in the zone, comfortable zone. Then there is the use case of readmission rate. How many patients are getting readmitted to hospital due to cardiac, due to basically kidney stones and other things, and which state in India is contributing to these readmissions. Qlik has got something known as geoanalytics, where we can map the geotagging also, and you can get a real-time snapshot of the readmission case. Then revenue dashboard, which is a very important thing for all the sales leaders at healthcare and pharma companies. You can see basically what is your year-on-year growth, your year-on-year achievement, month-on-month growth, month-on-month achievement. All this data is made available in real time, so that business leaders can take timely decisions. Who are the top 5 departments? Who are the top 5 doctors? Who are the bottom 5 departments? Who are the bottom 5 doctors? All those decisions can be taken place using this data. Then you can see the performance dashboard. So stats by payer, how many revenue is coming from which TP agency, nurse-patient ratio, average treatment cost, and then this is a billing dashboard. You can see basically revenue by doctor, revenue by department. A very important use case is OPD analysis and IPD analysis. How much revenue is coming from OPD, how much revenue is coming from IPD analysis. All this dashboard is also made available using this dashboard. You can see the count of doctors, male-female ratio, readmission rate, bed occupancy rate. One of the use cases that we have prepared especially for this event is no appointment shows. Basically, when we book appointments in any of the hospitals using an online app, and if the patient doesn't show up on that day, it's a direct revenue loss for the hospitals. So how do hospitals prepare for these cases when patients are not turning up on the desired day? We have set up something known as AutoML, which is also a part of Qlik platform, and the demo is live on our booth outside. And we would be happy to show you how machine learning can help to predict the no-show on the particular day. In the morning, Professor Mahajan also talked about that there is a user adoption issue in hospitals. How do we enable the sales people, the marketing people, the finance people, and even the doctors to do data analytics? What we have done, we have created our own proprietary tool, our own learning management system, and we have set up the entire curriculum of how to do business analytics for a simple user, for an end user. And we have tied up with NESCOM. All these courses are right now available on our platform, and we can help hospitals and pharma companies to train their end users on data analytics using these tools. So this is all from my side, and I would like to welcome Shalendra, who is basically Qlik champion, and who will take you further. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and warm welcome to everyone over here. Just to give you a quick background, from a Qlik perspective, I had Qlik commercial business for India, and just to bring you, up to speed who we are. So we are about a data analytics organization, about 30-year-old in the system. And we've been, working, there are about 50,000 customers that we work globally, about 100 plus countries that we operate into. We take a very, big pride in terms of saying that, we've been in Gartner's leader quadrant for past 12 consecutive years. And from a data analytics platform, and from the data integration platform that we recently have come up with, which gives you a real-time analytics on the silos of data which is available. We've been rated as challenger on the Gartner's leader quadrant on that front. Just to give an overall perspective, you've seen the dashboards, the kind of visualizations that we've been working on, that we deliver to the healthcare institutes in India or outside India. It is more from, we bridge a gap between all the silos of data that is available, be it your HIMS system, be it your EMR, be it any operational systems that you have, getting all the data, transforming all the data, and to an actionable insight. That's what we call it as an active intelligence pipeline. It is more from getting data from any silos of data that is available, and on a real-time basis, transforming that data, building a modern data lake or data warehouses for your organization. Gone are those traditional days where when maintaining the data warehouse or data lake takes tedious amount of time, which is completely this tool or this solution gives you a complete flexibility in terms of how low code, no code kind of environment, which can be managed and which can be taken care by your internal IT teams gradually. And from that, and from getting all the data into a data lake, and getting users getting a flexibility in terms of where, who, what kind of data he's accessible to, and then probably from a visualization, not only just the dashboard, you need to go to, there are a lot of time that certain KPIs that we want to want that to come as an alert that can be taken care of. Also, healthcare has been a very focused sector for us globally. About 3,000, more than 3,000 healthcare institutes today uses Qlik for their data analytics. There are a few of the names that is available, be it clinical, be it operational, all all kind of dashboards that we've delivered to the organizations. Thank you.